Hi, with the shortage of masks due to COVID-19, I found a way to make a mask that is quick, it is economical, and you can basically make it with any of the products at home. It starts with a Swiffer and 2 rubber bands. And all you need is 2 sheets of the Swiffer. You put the wrong sides together, like this. Then you gather up the ends. You make a small knot with one of your rubber bands. You tie it around the end like that. And then you can, at the long end, you can tighten it up like that. And then you do the same thing with the other end. Take your rubber band, make a little knot at the end like this. Tie it around the end. Tighten it up by pulling on the string, on the rubber band, and there you have it, a face mask that is disposable. And if you want to add more filtration, just add more Swiffer wipes. And you put it around your face like this, put the rubber band around your ear, and your other ear. There you go. The other way, if you don't have Swiffers at home, but you have microfiber cleaning products, just take your towel, fold it in half, do exactly the same thing. So this side is already tied up. You take your other side, you tie that up too. You make a knot. There you go. There's another face mask.